Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be installing this water wave wig from Hermosa Hair Company. All the specs and details will be down in the description box. Now let's get right into it. So one of the things I forgot to do when I'm installing this wig is to tint the lace beforehand. So first, right now in this clip, I'm just going around and cutting off my ear tabs. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little bit raspy, I'm kind of dealing with some tonsillitis again. I need to get my tonsils removed, I can't keep doing this. Anyways, so I'm cutting off my ear tabs. I'm gonna have to go in later and tint the lace over the install, which I hate doing. But besides that, I'm just prepping the lace to be installed by cutting little sections. And this always makes it super easy to install, in my opinion. So if you're a beginner, make sure you are doing this step. And I'm using my Ébène lace spray to help me just spray down my lace. And I'm going in with my blow dryer on a cool setting and my little rat tail comb to just help me push that lace into my skin. Now I'm just going in with my eyebrow razor to, get us a nice jagged cut line and cutting off the lace. The lace wasn't trying to stick on the side, but that's cool. I'm going to have to go back in again and respray it, but we move. And I'm just going to go ahead and repeat these steps all over my head. Now I'm just going in with my concealer that is the perfect shade for me. I'm just using that to go ahead and tint the lace. It's much better if you do this step before you install the wig, like under the cap and all of that. But if you forget or you didn't get the right shade color the first time, you can go ahead and just redo the step like I'm doing right now. I ended up having my camera shut on me, turn off on me. I didn't even notice. So the next clip you're going to see is me the next day reinstalling the wig because I realized my camera wasn't filming the whole time. But I just went ahead and just continued finishing up my baby hairs. And I'm just, using my Eco Styler gel to help me swoop the little hairs. I did this time do the curling iron or flat iron method to help me curl up the baby hairs. You don't need it, honestly. If you're doing like the really swirly type of baby hairs or like the little wispy ones, then yeah. But if you're just gonna do like typical laid down edges, you really don't need it. But sometimes I like to do it just to, do something extra or different. once I was done laying down my baby hairs, you know, I'm going in with my elastic band to just lay down the hair and lay down the lace. And since I decided I wanted to try a half up, half down look, it's very important that I go ahead and lay down my edges so that way the wig is not lifting as I'm trying to, you know, lift the hair up for the style. Another thing I wanted to try different was I saw this look on Instagram that I wanted to recreate where she had like these two little wispy hairs coming down with the half up, half down. I feel like I didn't really hit the mark. I kind of missed the mark with this one, so I wasn't a big fan of it, but I still want to try it. I'll probably try it a little bit different. I think I just had the baby hairs too close to my face or something like that, but I went in with that same little tiny curling iron, flat iron, and just curled those two little pieces. Maybe I made it too short. I don't know. I didn't really like it down with this. I think I just didn't do it right. But yeah, so here's me just curling the hair with my flat iron. And now I'm going to go ahead and tie the hair back. Since it's not a very high half up, half down, it wasn't as frustrating. It's much easier to do this style when it's not like super high on your head. Super high on your head takes a lot more work and effort to get it really, really flat and really high. So I'm just going in with my hot comb and just pressing out the roots to get it nice and flat and straight back. And then I also go in with some Eco Styler gel as well to just help me slick everything back. And then I just tie it back into a nice little medium length ponytail. And that's really it for the style and the look. So this is what the hair is looking like for the final style. The style is cute, but I feel like I didn't really do it right or something. I don't know, something just wasn't really giving what it's supposed to give, right? So after, you know, debating if I like the hairstyle or not, I just went ahead and just slicked those two little pieces back up and just did a standard half up, half down, which I kind of liked a lot better. But overall, I did like this hair. It was super cute. The texture is really cute. And of course, you know, all the descriptions and specs, you want to check it out, is in the description box. But that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and I'll see you guys in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And goodbye, my loves. Peace out, Girl Scouts.